Hey, what's up everybody, it's John here. In 2025, it feels like everyone's talking about investing. Whether it's stocks, crypto, or real estate, growing your money is the name of the game. But the truth is, getting started can be intimidating, especially if you don't know where to begin. That's why today, I'm breaking down the 7 best investment apps for beginners in 2025. These apps are designed to make investing accessible, easy to understand, and even a little bit fun. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, stick around because we're about to dive in. First up, we have Robinhood, the app that has revolutionized the way people trade stocks. Now, Robinhood is pretty much known for pioneering commission-free trading, making it accessible to everyone. Back in the day, you used to have to pay a fee every time you bought or sold a stock, which could really add up over time. Robinhood changed the game, making it completely free to trade, which was a huge shift in the industry. And that's huge, especially for beginners who are just starting out and don't want to eat into their returns with a bunch of fees. It allows them to invest more of their money. The app itself is incredibly user-friendly, designed to be accessible to everyone, even those who are new to investing. It's clean, it's intuitive, it's basically designed to make buying and selling stocks as simple as ordering a pizza on your phone. You don't need to be a financial expert to use it. You can easily search for stocks, ETFs, and even crypto all in one place, making it a versatile tool for any investor. But, and this is a big but, there are some things to be aware of with Robinhood. It's not all smooth sailing. First off, their customer support has had its fair share of criticism. Many users have reported difficulties in getting timely help. If you run into any issues, it can be tough to get a hold of a real person, which can be frustrating when you need immediate assistance. Second, because the app is so easy to use, it can sometimes feel a little bit too much like a game. This gamification can be a double-edged sword. This can lead to impulsive trading, which is basically the opposite of what you want to do as an investor. It's important to stay disciplined. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Consistent, thoughtful investing is the key to long-term success. Next we have Acorns. Now, Acorns is all about passive, automated investing, which is perfect for beginners who want to grow their money without having to constantly think about it. It's designed to make investing as easy and seamless as possible, so you can focus on other things in your life. So how does it work? Acorns links to your bank account or debit card, and every time you make a purchase, it rounds up your spare change to the nearest dollar and invests that difference for you. This way, you're investing without even realizing it. Let's say you buy a coffee for $3.50. Acorns rounds that up to $4, and that extra 50 cents gets invested. Over time, these small investments can grow significantly. Now, it might not seem like much, but these small amounts can really add up over time, especially if you're making a lot of transactions. Imagine every little purchase contributing to your future wealth. Plus, Acorns invest your money into a diversified portfolio of ETFs, which helps to spread your risk across different asset classes. This diversification is key to managing risk and maximizing potential returns. The downside to Acorns is the monthly fee. They charge a few bucks a month, which can be a significant percentage of your balance when you're just starting out. However, as your investments grow, this fee becomes less impactful. But if you're looking for a hands-off way to start investing, Acorns is definitely worth checking out. It's a great tool for those who want to dip their toes into the world of investing without the hassle of managing it all themselves. Now, if you're looking for an app that offers a bit more guidance, SoFi Invest is a great option. One of the coolest things about SoFi is that they offer free financial advice to all of their members. That's right, you can actually schedule a call with a certified financial planner and get personalized advice on your investments completely free of charge. On top of that, SoFi Invest offers commission-free trading, fractional shares, and even crypto options. So you get a good mix of investment choices all within one user-friendly app. The app itself is very similar to Robinhood in terms of its design and ease of use. It's clean, it's intuitive, and it's easy to navigate. However, compared to some of the other platforms on this list, SoFi's range of investment options is a bit limited. They don't offer as many ETFs or mutual funds as some of the other platforms out there. But if you're looking for a beginner-friendly app with free financial advice, SoFi Invest is a solid choice. Next up, we have Public. Now, Public is all about social investing. Think of it like the Instagram of investing. You can follow other investors, see what they're buying and selling, and even share your own trades with the community. This can be a great way to learn from more experienced investors and get a feel for the market. Plus, Public offers fractional shares, which means you can buy a piece of a stock even if you don't have enough money to buy a full share. And of course, they also offer zero commission trading. The one thing that Public lacks is some of the more advanced trading features that you might find on other platforms. So, if you're a more experienced investor looking for things like options trading or margin accounts, Public might not be the right fit for you. But, if you're new to investing and you like the idea of learning from a community, Public is definitely worth checking out. Now, if you're looking for a truly hands-off approach to investing, M1 Finance is a game changer in the world of automated investing. M1 Finance is all about building and automating your investment portfolio with ease. They offer these things called pies, which are basically pre-built portfolios of stocks and ETFs that are designed to match your investment goals. You can choose from a variety of pre-built pies, or you can create your own custom pie based on your own risk tolerance and investment objectives. This flexibility allows you to tailor your investments to your specific needs. Once you've built your pie, M1 Finance takes care of the rest, automatically investing your money and rebalancing your portfolio as needed. This ensures that your investments stay aligned with your goals without any extra effort on your part. This is perfect for people who want to invest for the long term, but don't want to spend hours researching individual stocks or trying to time the market. It's a great solution for those who prefer a more passive investment strategy. The downside to M1 Finance is that it doesn't support day trading. So, if you're looking to buy and sell stocks on a daily basis, M1 Finance isn't the right platform for you. It's designed for long-term investors who want to set their strategy and let the platform handle the rest. But if you're looking for a set-it-and-forget-it approach to investing, M1 Finance is definitely worth considering. It offers a seamless and efficient way to grow your wealth over time without the hassle of constant management. Next, we have Stash. Stash is a unique app that combines financial education, banking, and investing all in one place. This makes it a great option for beginners who are just starting out and want to learn the ropes of personal finance. One of the coolest things about Stash is that they offer educational content within the app itself. So, as you're learning about investing, you can also learn about things like budgeting, saving, and managing debt. Stash also offers fractional shares and a variety of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and even a selection of socially responsible investments. The downside to Stash is the monthly fee. Like Acorns, they charge a few dollars per month, which can eat into your returns, especially when you're just starting out. But if you're looking for an all-in-one platform that combines investing with financial education, Stash is definitely worth a look. Finally, we have Fidelity Spire. Fidelity is a well-known and trusted name in the financial world, and their Spire app is a great option for beginners who are looking for a goal-based approach to investing. With Fidelity Spire, you start by setting a specific financial goal, like buying a house, retiring early, or saving for your child's education. The app then helps you create a personalized investment plan to reach that goal. The app itself is very clean and intuitive, making it easy to track your progress and make adjustments to your plan as needed. One thing to keep in mind is that Fidelity Spire is primarily focused on Fidelity's own investment products. So, you won't have access to the same breadth of investment options that you would find on some of the other platforms on this list. But, if you're looking for a simple and straightforward way to invest for your goals, Fidelity Spire is definitely worth checking out. So there you have it, the 7 best investment apps for beginners in 2025. Each of these apps offers something unique, so it's important to choose the one that best aligns with your individual needs and goals. Remember, the most important thing is to just get started. The sooner you start investing, the sooner you can start growing your money and building a brighter financial future. Which app are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.